Enough. Hello, this is Janice, and today we will talk about this Apple's expensive wireless charger with still wire on it, and this Apple casing. So, why did I bought this MagSafe charger? Did I bought it for the channel? Nope. Wrong! I have been using Qi charger for almost 2 years, and this is how it looks now. It is still working and it's already served its purpose, but I might say goodbye to this Qi charger soon. The next question is, how is this $39 charging doing? It's okay. It has a simple design, it is charging fast, and it has a secure connection. It aligns well when charging because of its magnet. Unlike this Qi charger, where you still have to find the sweet spot. I can use my phone comfortably while charging without the cord getting on my way, as this is actually adjustable. Compared to this Qi charger, you need to hold it because it does not stick. Snap and connect. Pretty awesome, huh? Convinced? Maybe not. As this $39 charger does not come with adapter. By the way, you can't just use ordinary adapters. You have to buy the $19 recommended 20 watts USB-C adapter from Apple or equivalent to get the full 15 watts charging of this MagSafe charger. On top of that, you will only get the 1 meter long cord. You won't have much room to get a bit further when using your phone while charging. Also, when disconnecting your phone, it almost feels the same thing as when you are disconnecting it from a cord. And yes, you can also use this with other phones, even on Android phones and AirPods that supports wireless charging except for Apple Watch. It does take a bit on my iPhone 11 Pro Max, but expect a lower charging speed. That's not all. You have to consider your phone casing as well. It will still work with third-party cases for iPhone 12 lineups, but won't stick that much on thin cases. And on thicker cases, it will not stick at all. And expect bit slow in charging experience. For better experience, it is highly recommended to use these Apple cases designed for MagSafe. I have here the blue leather case worth $59 and the silicone case worth $49. I have been using this silicone case for 2 weeks now, and it's definitely serving its purpose. Discoloration is there, same as using this leather case, but it does get scratched that easily. How about you? Which do you prefer? The leather case or the silicone case? Comment down below. For these demonstrations, let's try the leather case on. Yes, same as silicone case, Apple detects it pretty quickly. Let's try it with the MagSafe charger. And yes, it does stick well with case on it. Going back to the MagSafe charger. Personally, it is a better way of charging your phone. However, Apple's approach on wireless charging is still not that convincing. You will still feel the cord when using the phone while charging. But who knows? Maybe in time, we will experience the true wireless charging. Having said all of that, if you have one of the iPhone 12 lineups, will you still go with the new MagSafe charger with 15 watts of charging? Or stick with the traditional way of charging with 30 watts of charging? Let me know. Comment down below. That's it for me. I hope you enjoy. If you have suggestions and recommendations for the improvement of our channel, please comment down below. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring on the bell button dyan sa baba para updated ka sa aking mga upcoming vlogs. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Bye!